Hi guys, this is a syllogism sheet which I have taken from our website, and especially we'll discuss this because it's a very important type in which it asks one of which definitely which doesn't follow or is not a possibility of occurrence in this. So this is mainly asked in a banking exam like IBPS or SBI PO. So generally it's not the normal syllogism which you see, because this is saying definitely does not follow. So basic point is, what is the question demanding? First, it means any of these conclusions, if it follows like definitely, or even if it's a possibility case, then you will not consider this question conclusion. It says it definitely does not follow, right? So this, and that's why today we'll discuss all the question in our sheet. So maybe you don't have problem, and I will solve with using my method. So if you have not seen my videos, so there is a syllogism concept video which I'll mention in the link, and there is one possibility case video which is given there. Until unless if you don't complete that video, you will not understand anything, because this method is a tick cross method, and this is similar to what you call as AEIOU method, but slightly different. So unless that concept is not clear, there is no point watching this video. But if you have watched it, it will be a great impact for you, because it's really helpful for to discuss some sheets, right? So let's go ahead and solve these questions. Now let's see question number one. This is the statement. We'll go solving this question using directly as here, taking the conclusions. So some surgeons are doctors. Let's see the relation between surgeons and doctors. So you have doctors here. If you want to, you have doctor here, right? All doctors are surgeon. Some surgeons are doctors, right? That will be a possibility, because directly if all A are B, there is some S are A, that is true. Because why? Because D and S, right? All doctors are surgeon. So all doctors are surgeon. This will be our tick cross method, right? If you pick this one, right? So what we have learned, that if you have a tick, you can do a cross. So the moment you do two crosses, so you will have some surgeons are doctors. That is definitely following here. So we will do it. No, this is not our answer, right? Because this follows, we will do a tick mark for just identification. Second one is some dentists are lawyers. Some dentists are lawyers. So we have to get the connection from dentist to lawyers, right? Let's move it. Dentist to this engineers get connected here, surgeon gets connected here, and lawyers. So ultimately you see you have to get the whole chain here. So let's make a small thing which is called our diagram. LND, some lawyers are doctors, and we have to pay attention to all the rules which we know. So all doctors are surgeon, all doctors are surgeon, tick and cross. No surgeon is an engineer, no surgeon is an engineer. So we have no, and we have some also, right? No plus some is there, we to keep in mind, right? But again, if we see, no surgeon is an engineer, so tick tick. And some engineers are dentists, some engineers are dentist, right? So some engineers are dentists. So why this will follow directly without doing a lot of mantras here? Because see, you have some here, you have some here, and you are connecting these two, right? So some plus some anyway is no conclusion. So whenever there is no conclusion, there is any possibility is true. So some dentists are lawyer is a possibility, is true. So definitely does not follow, doesn't take place here, because directly we can say that. So once we have the whole chart ready, you can directly go to other question solving also. So this is also not our option. We'll go to third one. No engineer is a doctor, right? So what is the engineer and doctor, right? So we can go to these two, right? These two we can do, okay, for your reference. We'll remove all these. Some engineers are doctors. Sorry, no engineer is a doctor. So as we saw, these two, right? Engineers and doctors, right? These two, right? Okay, so we have no and all. So no should come in our conclusion, right? So we have to take these two. So generally what is there, one particular is distributed right, we can see. So our answer should be no engineer is doctor should be true, because both we are getting true tick tick, and there is a no in the conclusion also. So whenever there is two tick, we know that there is no engineer is doctor is true, or no doctor is engineer is true. So this one also goes with a tick mark that yeah, this follows. So definitely doesn't even matter here, right? So we can just do this tick for reference. Now I'm just solving it very slowly, because so you can later get the idea. So let's solve it. The fourth one, right? All dentists being surgeon is a possibility. This directly they have asked. So what we'll see, that is dentist being surgeon, right? Dentist and surgeon. So dentist is here and we go to surgeon, so you can take these two, right? These two we will give our whatever we have to do. So you can take any comparison for this, then just take this dentist and surgeon, right? So whatever is the middle term is distributed, you have no plus sum also, so no plus sum will come, right? So you cannot say a tick cross all SRD, because that voids our rule that no plus sum is not coming in the conclusion, because there is a no plus sum in the statement. So reverse it. So what you will get, generally what is our tick tick cross 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 tick cross tick, this is our here. So you can go this way, right? Cross tick. So you can do D and S. So cross tick, what will come? This one is what? This one is sum plus no. So no D are sum D are not S that can come, because this one is sum and this is sum not, right? So no D, sorry. Basically your conclusion should be some D are not S. What is that? Some dentists are not S, right? Now we can go to our rule of possibilities, and just I'll place it here, and so you can get the reference, right? So place it this side so you can get that here. So whenever you have some A R not B, right? Check it this part. Some B are not A, right? That will be or whatever some B are not A, that will be all A or B is a possibility. So some B are not S, right? Some D are not S. What will be that? All S are D is a possibility. This is we are getting right, because if some D are not S, see you can see the rule here, some B are not A, you reverse it, all A or B is a possibility, so all S R D is a possibility. This should come, but what is there in the conclusion? All D being S is a possibility, right? That is a completely opposite which is given there. So if it's given all S surgeons being dentists is a possibility, then this should definitely follow, but it is opposite, right? So this will definitely not follow. The answer should be D. So I will just remove everything. So D should be our answer, and you got to know why we are getting D as answer, because we followed this rule. So it's important, if you don't know how to refer all these, you have to watch the basic video. So none of these doesn't even come into picture. This could be slow right now, but unfortunately when you have a practice, you can directly do it very fast, and most of those you will get the idea. So practice is important, and that's why I am saying again and again, this sheet of solving will help you a lot. Let's move to other question, and we'll see the second question. Okay, so we'll skip the third one, second one for you. This question, try it yourself. We'll discuss the third question now from this sheet. Now let's try the third question. This is the third one. So we'll see one by one. A, all fan being man is a possibility. So fan and man, right? You can relate here, because pan is common, and then directly we can say this follows, because no plus no is definitely no conclusion. So when no conclusion, it is something will follow. So first A will follow. So this is not our option because we are asked to find definitely doesn't follow or is a possibility. So this goes out. Now B, all man being banned. So we'll just all man being banned. Man, and then you have to go up till first one, right? Because the middle term is connected all the places. So we'll just draw the chart quickly. Ban, can, all ban are can, tick cross. But important thing to notice, if you are going full way up, you can see two no are there, right? Because whenever you are going this way up, taking common pan, fan, can, anyway you will have no plus no, right? So no conclusion will anyway be there. So again this will be possible, possibility case will be there for B. Now at least some ban or pan, at least some ban or pan. So from here till here you have to come. Now see how. Ban, can, all banner can, tick cross, all can are fan, tick cross, no fan is pan, no fan is pan, tick tick. Middle term is distributed once at least, so fine, we can move on. And we are getting two ticks, and obviously no is there in the statement, so no will come in the conclusion. So no ban is pan is right, our conclusion. But here it's given at least some ban or pan, but directly we're getting conclusion as no ban or pan. So at least some ban or pan cannot follow, because that was the rule. Directly you're getting this, so at least some ban or pan cannot come, that definitely does not follow. So this will be our answer, right? As you can see, C. So now we can at least check others, just for the sake if the options were like different. So we can just check for sanity purpose, and let's try the option D, why it's not our option. So D says at least some fan are ban, some fan are ban. So we can take just these two, right? Ban or can, ban or can, all ban or can, right? Tick cross. We should have not rubbed that diagram. Anyway, we can draw it again, right? So what we are getting, all B or F generally, or maybe directly take cross. So at least some fan or ban, some fan or fan ban will occur because you can undistribute this, right? And then some ban or fan will come. It is that's the rule. If you don't know, then you have to watch all the video. So if you know the rule, you know that you can do tick to cross. So when cross comes, some BRF is, or F is like definitely it follows. So at least some fan or ban is same as some fan or ban. There should be no confusion for that. So as we saw that this again follows, right? So that's why we are saying you can check others, but if you're confident with practice, directly you can mark and move whenever you got C as your answer. So now let's see E. No pan is a can. No pan is a can, right? So you can go here, fan is common. So all can are fan, tick cross. No fan is pan, tick tick. We are getting no pan is can or no can is pan directly from tick tick. So this will also follow. Answer remains our C, and we checked that how it was possible, right? So we'll discuss now the next question.